Hello guys, you're welcome once again to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you five business. All right, I'll be showing you five businesses you can start in this year 2024 and make profit massively. All right, we understand that the economy is very hard right now, and there are so many of you looking for a way to escape the financial hardship, right? So that's the more reason why you should pay close attention to this video, right? So in this video, like I said, I'll be showing you five businesses you can start in this year 2024 and make massive profit. All right, so by the way, my name is Amadi Netiosa. If this is the first time I'm coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit notification bell so you always be notified whenever new video like this are posted. All right, so without wasting much of the time, I will take you through the process one after the other, and I'll also be showing you the various businesses you can start and make massive profit in this year 2024. All right, so the first one we'll be looking at is what we call information marketing. All right, it's called information marketing. So let me click on that information. Okay, so it's called information marketing. So this particular business talks about packaging what you know. Most person will tell you is selling your knowledge, selling your brain. There are so many of you who understand a particular business, you understand a particular thing. Why not package it together and sell to people? Right? Like for instance, in last year, many person there's this particular lady called Hida Basi where she did a video of what is called cookathon, and she showed the people that this thing she's talking about, she know about cooking, and she did a cookathon, and many persons were so much interested in whatever thing she did. After that particular event, she went ahead and packaged what she know and started selling to people, and so many persons were buying into it. Now this is what information marketing is all about. It simply means selling what you know. There are so many of you who have a good understanding of a particular thing and how to resolve a particular issue. Why not package it together and sell to people? Right, you can package it in form of an ebook or a form of a video course, all right, and sell to people. That's what we call information marketing. Sell what you know. All right, sell what you know. There are so many things out there, people are looking for the solution. Okay, so if you come about to this now, you say what is this all about? It simply means a strategic approach to business that involve creating and distributing valuable content to target audience. Right, that is what information marketing is all about. You create this particular thing and sell to people who are interested in it. All right, so to do this, you must identify a niche. A niche simply talk about where you are interested in. Now, like I said before, the concerning Hida Basi, she know much about cooking, all right, about what will I call it, food, and she did a video and did a training on that aspect. So many of you have a good understanding about some health issues. You have a good understanding about family, about relationship, about making money. Why not package it together and sell to people? Why not package together and sell to people? It can be in form of a video, it can also be in form of an ebook. All right, so once you do this, you can create the audience and start selling. That's why I said identify a niche. All right, like you can see on this on your screen, I said the first thing is what? Identify a niche, create a high value high quality content, and build your audience. Right, build your audience. In this video, I've also done how to run adverts on this my YouTube channel. If you have not done that, kindly go scroll to the YouTube channel. You will see how to create YouTube channel, a Facebook account, and run your adverts. All right, all these things you are looking for, they are on this channel. So just go through this and learn how to create information product and sell. Right, so this is the first business that you can start and make money in this year 2024. Right, the second one is called local drop shipping. Local drop shipping. What is local drop shipping? It simply means selling other people's product and making profit from it. All right, it says drop shipping traditionally involve you negotiate with suppliers. There are some persons who bring product in bulk and they are looking for people who will sell for them. All right, this dropshipping is somehow related to what we call commission. When you sell a property with, let's say, a real estate company, and they tell you they have a property they are selling, and for every product you sell, you get your commission. All right, you don't own the product, you don't distribute the product, you don't even bring down the product, you don't import the product. All right, so you just look for high wholesaler who bring product in bulk and negotiate with them. All right, some of them are available in Gigi. All right, so once you go to Gigi, you can see people who are selling this thing at affordable rates. All you need to do is to relate with them and discuss what this business is all about, right? So this is the second business you can start in this year 2024 and start making profit from it. All right, so local dropshipping is very, very easy, and you can start with even your WhatsApp. Get the picture of the product and start posting on your WhatsApp. Start from where you are, right? Start from where you are, and instead of just going to your status and be posting irrelevant stuff, start posting things that will add value to you and also add money to your pocket, right? Because this year 2024 is not the year to just fold your hands and be waiting for government to come and help you. It's time for you to get up and help yourself. All right, so local dropshipping is the second business you can start with. All right, so if you are so much interested in all of this business I'm going to be showing, my contact is on this video. You can reach out to me and we'll discuss more about this business. All right, the second one is called e-commerce. E-commerce simply means electronic commerce, electronic buying and selling. You can buy goods at a very low rate from China and sell here at a ridiculous amount and make your profit. There are some products that are available. Let me show you. Like there are some products that are available inside. Like let me come over to display. Let's say 1688. Sorry, 16 1688.com. Right, there are some products that are available in 1688. Right, good. Let it just load up. All right, so as you can see, this is 1688. There are so many products you are seeing here that are very, very affordable. All right, very, very affordable that you can import and sell here in Nigeria and make good profit from it. All right, so the other one I was telling you about 16 Gigi. This is Gigi, Gigi.ng. Right, gg.ng. Can you see that? Let me just load it up. So these sites are legit. It's what you are seeing every day. Most of you are seeing this thing, but you don't want to take action. You don't want to take action. And this year is not the time for you to wait for people to come and help you. You have to help yourself. All right. So if you come over to Gigi and you search for, let's say, still loading up, you search for health products. All right. So let me just quickly show you. All right, I come to health products now. These are various health products. Okay. There's a particular product that was very, very that people were selling then. It's called a wat remover. Let me say wat remover. Right. It's wat remover. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Can you see some of this product? They are seeing. It says Nova bleach perfume stain remover. This particular product you are seeing here, it will help to remove stain and germs. All right, so you have that. Can you see this one too? Can you see all of these products you are seeing here? This is, it says what this one say, wall stain remover. I can see, and it's being sold for 2,500 naira. And if you are able to discuss with this particular person and you say, okay, you want to sell this product, the person can give you at the rate of 2,000 or 1,500. And if you get this thing now and you are selling for 10,000 or 8,500, you are still making good profit from this product. All right, so this is also a product you can sell and make profit from. Okay, that is for e-commerce. Okay, you can see that. Then the next one is called Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is called Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. What it simply means is that you create books and publish on Amazon. Low content books, journal, book, that's notebook, coloring book, any of these things, you can create it and publish on Amazon and make profit from it. Okay, this is the fourth business you can start as a newbie and make profit massively. Like myself, this particular business has really helped me, and it has helped me in 2023, right? And I'm still doing this particular business. Okay, that's why I said if you're having issue and you would like to start this business, why not reach out to me and I will give you the step that you need to follow to be able to actualize this particular business. All right, so Amazon KDP simply talks about, it says allow writers to bring their stories and expertise to a global audience. And the good thing about Amazon KDP is that you don't run adverts. Okay, you don't print anything. All you need to use your Microsoft Word, create your book, edit it, and publish. Once you are able to do that, the sale will definitely come in. Okay, there are so many results regarding this aspect. Many young Nigerians are making massively up to ₦1 million every month from Amazon KDP. Okay, this is also a business you can start in 2024 and make profit from it. Okay, the last but not the least is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting another person's product and you get commission for every sale you make. Okay, that is what affiliate marketing is all about. And the good thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't create any product, you don't bring any product down to anywhere, you don't even store the product. People have taken time to create this product for you. So all you need to do as someone interested in making money online is to pick the product. That's why I said for you to start with affiliate marketing, you should understand what affiliate marketing is all about. It's not a multi-level marketing, it's not a network marketing, it's not a referral system, and also it's not a get rich quick scheme. All right, it's a business that involve you recommending product to people, and for everyone that purchase that product, you automatically get a commission. Are you getting now? That is what affiliate marketing is all about. You have affiliate network. Currently in Nigeria, there are so many affiliate network you can register with. You have Digistem, you have Espania, you have Seller, you have PromptN. There are so many of them. All you need to do is to register with this platform and pick a product to promote. Okay, so and then you also have what is called promotional channel, right? Promotional channel, that is via Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so many of them, because so many of you are familiar with this platform, but you don't know how to go about it. That's why I told you that if you are interested in any of this business I've mentioned here, kindly reach out to me via my number in the description of this video, and I will guide it through on how to begin these businesses. Okay, hope you enjoyed this particular video I just did. If you're having any challenge and you want to begin your way to financial freedom using any of these business model I've talked about, kindly reach out to me and we will discuss more about it. Okay, hope you got value from this video, and if you did, kindly like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and also smash the notification bell so you always be notified whenever new videos like this are posted. All right, if you're having any challenge, drop your comment, drop your issue on the comment of this video, and I will respond to it as soon as possible. Thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.